What steps can I take to ask my mom for forgiveness?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that many of us face at some point in our lives: how to ask our moms for forgiveness. Repairing a broken relationship with your mom can be a challenging and emotional journey, but with the right approach and sincere effort, it's possible to rebuild trust and mend the bond between you. So, let's dive into the steps you can take to ask your mom for forgiveness.
Reflect on your actions.
Before approaching your mom, it's crucial to take some time for self-reflection. Think deeply about what you've done wrong and why it has hurt your mom. This step is essential as it shows your genuine understanding of your mistakes and helps you convey your sincerity when asking for forgiveness.
Empathize with your mom's feelings.
Put yourself in your mom's shoes and try to empathize with her feelings. Consider how your actions may have affected her emotionally, mentally, or even physically. This empathetic mindset will help you approach the conversation with a greater understanding and a genuine desire to make things right.
Choose the right time and place.
Timing and environment play a significant role in having a successful conversation. Pick a calm and private setting where you and your mom can have an uninterrupted discussion. Choose a time when both of you are relatively relaxed and open to communication. This will create a conducive atmosphere for a meaningful conversation.
Express your regret and apologize.
When you sit down with your mom, it's important to express your regret and genuinely apologize for your actions. Be sincere and specific about what you're sorry for, taking responsibility for your mistakes. This will show your mom that you understand the impact of your actions and that you're genuinely remorseful.
Listen to your mom's perspective.
As you apologize, it's crucial to give your mom the space to express her feelings and perspective. Be patient and attentive, allowing her to share her thoughts, emotions, and concerns without interruption. Active listening demonstrates your willingness to understand her pain and validates her experience.
Demonstrate change through actions.
Words alone may not be enough to rebuild trust. It's vital to demonstrate change through consistent actions over time. Show your mom that you're committed to learning from your mistakes and making amends. Follow through on your promises, and be patient as trust takes time to rebuild. Your actions should align with the genuine remorse you expressed during the apology.
Maintain open communication.
Rebuilding trust is an ongoing process, and maintaining open and honest communication is key. Regularly check in with your mom, ask for her feedback, and address any concerns she may have. This shows that you value her feelings and opinions, and it helps strengthen the connection between you. Asking your mom for forgiveness can be a difficult and emotional journey, but it's worth the effort to rebuild a strong and loving relationship. Remember to reflect on your actions, empathize with your mom's feelings, choose the right time and place, apologize sincerely, listen to her perspective, demonstrate change through actions, and maintain open communication. By following these steps, you can start the process of healing and work towards a better future together. Good luck, and thank you for watching.